Here are 5 common AC problems Austin, Texas homeowners can troubleshoot before calling an HVAC company. Is your air conditioning not turning on? It's frustrating, especially in hot weather? Maybe it's turned on but not blowing cold air? Here are some simple things you can do to troubleshoot your AC problems. These simple procedures do not require any technical experience. The first thing to do is check your air filters to see if they are dirty and need to be replaced or cleaned. Then check your circuit breaker for any tripped breakers to see if there is power to your unit. Sometimes your batteries in your thermostat need to be replaced. Check your thermostat is not set to heat. Another common problem is to check for refrigerant or water leaks. We recommend you call a licensed heating and cooling repair company when your air conditioner won't turn on or your air conditioner is not cooling. If you have not serviced your AC unit for regular preventative maintenance and your air conditioner unit is older than 10 years, it might be time to get your air conditioner inspected. Consider calling ABC Austin Service Express if you are in need of air conditioning repairs or air conditioning replacement. Visit us online at www.abcaustinacandheating.com or call ABC Austin Service Express customer service at 512-448-0532. We offer 24-hour emergency AC repair services and have been serving the Austin area for over 13 years. At ABC Austin Service Express, we offer 100% customer satisfaction on all our services. We look forward to serving you. www.abcaustinacandheating.com